Hi everyone, welcome back to Bright Skin, where we break down the science behind healthy, happy skin. Listen, I know so many of you struggle with dryness, flakiness, that tight feeling. It's the worst. Trust me, I've been there. That's why I'm so pumped for today's video. We're diving deep into my top 5 moisturizers specifically formulated for dry skin. And the best part? These aren't just any random picks, they're all dermatologist-approved. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dry skin for good and achieve that hydrated, dewy glow you deserve, keep watching because I'm breaking down everything you need to know about these holy grail products. And make sure you stick around until the end for a bonus tip that will completely transform how well your moisturizer works. You don't want to miss it. First up, we're starting strong with a true icon in the drugstore skincare game, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It's affordable, accessible, and it delivers. Packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it strengthens your skin barrier and locks in moisture. This combo is perfect for dry skin, especially in winter. Plus, it's fragrance-free and gentle for sensitive skin. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, you've earned your spot on this list. Next up, we have a product that's near and dear to my heart. Especially if you also deal with eczema or sensitive skin, the Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm AP+. This stuff is like a warm hug for your skin. It's a rich, luxurious balm, but don't let that scare you off. It sinks in beautifully without feeling heavy or greasy. The magic here lies in its star ingredient, niacinamide. Now, niacinamide is a powerful anti-inflammatory, so it helps soothe irritation, redness, and any itchiness you might be experiencing. It's a lifesaver for eczema-prone skin. And to top it off, it has shea butter. Shea butter is a super hydrating ingredient that creates a protective barrier on the skin to prevent moisture loss. It's deeply nourishing and helps to restore that healthy, supple feel. Dermatologists swear by this balm, and I can see why. It's gentle enough for the whole family, even babies. Like, how amazing is that? If you're battling dryness and sensitivity, you need to try this balm. Seriously, thank me later. Let's talk about the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This moisturizer is a cult classic for a reason. It calms and hydrates dry, flaky skin. The key ingredient is colloidal oatmeal. It reduces redness and irritation. Shea butter provides intense hydration. It absorbs quickly and isn't greasy. Use it morning and night. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. Now, if you're looking for an affordable option that packs a punch, the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream is the one for you. This is another drugstore gem that deserves a spot in your skincare routine. It features urea as its key ingredient. Now, urea might sound a little intimidating, but trust me on this one. It's a humectant, just like hyaluronic acid, but it also has this amazing ability to gently exfoliate dry, rough patches. So, it's hydrating and smoothing your skin at the same time. It's amazing for those stubborn dry patches that just don't seem to go away. This cream is a little bit thicker than some of the others on this list, so I'd recommend using it as a night cream or as a spot treatment on extra dry areas like your elbows, knees, or feet. And the best part? It's super affordable. You get a ton of product for the price, which is always a win in my book. Last but certainly not least, we have the luxurious Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This moisturizer is like a tall drink of water for your face. It's formulated with 6 African oils to deeply nourish and hydrate. Ingredients like passion fruit, marula, and baobab oils, rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It also contains ceramides for a healthy skin barrier. The whipped texture melts into your skin, leaves skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Treat yourself with Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Your skin will thank you. And there you have it, my top 5 moisturizers for dry skin. I hope this video helps you find the perfect moisturizer to quench your skin's thirst and achieve that healthy, dewy glow. Now remember that bonus tip I promised? Here it is. Apply your moisturizer on damp skin. This helps to lock in extra hydration and makes your moisturizer work even better. Trust me, this simple step makes a world of difference. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these moisturizers and what your favorite moisturizer for dry skin is. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye for